friends, welcome to the RM Study Online। आज हम अपोजिट वर्ड्स पढ़ेंगे, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट द अपोजिट वर्ड्स। टीच, लर्न। रूड, पोलाइट। मिनिमम, मैक्सिमम। समर, winter। special, general। stay, go। peace, war। lead, follow। careful, careless। inside, outside। king, queen। imaginary, real। kind, mean। large, small। big, offer। illegal, lawful। catch, throw। known, unknown। top, bottom। sun, moon। all, none। afraid, brave। bad luck, good luck। absence, presence। approximately, exactly। attack, defend। asleep, awake। ascends, descend। back, in front of। everybody, nobody। entrance, exit। guest, host। guilty, innocent। fine, loss। final, first। excited, calm, boring। fail, success। fat, slim। false, true। gentleman, lady। past, future। Thank you so much. Like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.